Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to teach you how to create a Google account without phone number. There is maybe different reason why you want to create a without phone number, but that's none of my business. So what my business is to show you how to create a Google account without a phone number. So without further delay, let's get into the point. Okay, so first of all, don't if we make a Google account from direct going google.com by browser, and then this will show that you have to add phone number for the confirmation, because we don't want to do that. So to skip that part, here is the trick. You have to go on your Gmail. Okay, here I am on my Gmail. This is one of my email account, and to create a without phone number, just click on this here, and these are the Gmail account that I do have. I have all lots of other account without phone number. So to create a Gmail account or Google account without a phone number, just click on add another account. Okay, and click on Google. You can make absolutely without use of phone number. Okay, just click on create account option for myself. Give your name, have and give your date of birth, April 25, 1999, your gender, and then here is the gmail.com. This is your Gmail. Just screenshot it. Password. Give your password. Here is this is showing my phone number, but here is the option. You can skip. Here is the skip option. Just click on skip option, and next, and here is the here. You did it, man. So we make a Google account without a phone number. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like the video and subscribe.